guys, welcome back to another video. I am in my car.
I'm just in here. Yeah.
So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a week. And this is a disclaimer, I am not healthy. So if you are looking for a healthy what I eat in a week, I'm sorry, but this is not that video. This is just what I like to eat. And to be honest, I'm kind of out of video ideas anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and get to know me a little bit more. We're gonna start this video on Monday. Yeah. Alright guys, so today we're starting the day off with some waffles. I really love waffles. Sometimes I am running late, so I won't even eat at home. I'll eat at the school. If I had more time, I would make like some eggs or add some sausages with it, but I just don't have time. Typically, I do like to go off campus for lunch sometimes, but today was not one of those days, so I just stayed at the school and ate a chicken sandwich, a spicy chicken sandwich. It was really good. I like to put fries in it and mayo. However, sometimes I just don't get full. So one of the things that you'll notice in this video is that I really like noodles and pasta and stuff like that. So today I'm making some mac and cheese, and it's very rare after school that I get the time to make dinner for myself. I usually either eat what's in the fridge or eat what my mom is cooking, but today I had some time, so that's what I'm doing. Now, before you guys label me as a carb-eating freak, I do eat protein sometimes. Today, I'm having some fried chicken and a sausage link with some ranch, okay? We're taking steps. Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. I did wake up late. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and today I woke up at like 6:55. On days like this, I usually eat breakfast at the school. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is what breakfast is looking like. After editing this video, now their options are kind of like sucky, but before their options were pretty good. So I'm having some pancakes, you know. You just can't go wrong with pancakes. Alright, so I don't know what happened, but their juice does not taste good at all anymore, so I'm drinking some water. Again, I really don't like that water, and you'll see the water that I like later in this video, but, you know, it's the second best option because I don't want to drink that juice. Can I have a 6-inch Italian herb and cheese? Salami and bacon? Salami and bacon? Can I have provolone cheese? Yeah, toasted. Can I have some spinach and lettuce? And then can I also get mayo and do you guys still have like sweet onion sauce? Yeah. Alright, you guys, so because it is only 1:35, I don't have to immediately start walking back. I also got 2 white chip macadamia nut cookies. These are very good. don't know what it is with me eating the cookies first, but sometimes I just can't resist. They're just too good. But some days I won't get like the bacon and the salami on the sandwich because that is a lot of sodium or salt. So, for example, a couple of days ago, I decided, oh, let me get some teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken is very healthy. I didn't get a drink because I feel like lately I've just been getting too addicted to like Sprite and sodas and stuff, so cutting back just a little bit. See? Water. I don't like this brand that much. I prefer my King Super's water, but yeah.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, it's nighttime. Sorry for this rubbish quality. It's like 8 p.m. and now I'm gonna eat some dinner. I definitely do not advise eating less than 3 hours or 2 hours before going to bed, but I procrastinate on everything, so it ain't gonna be no basic ramen. It's gonna be ramen and egg. So you remember how earlier I said in my video that the breakfast kind of sucks? So today, my best friend and I went to 7-Eleven, and one of our favorite things to get there is their taquitos. Mukbang.
On my Instagram.
Yeah, I'll at her guys.
This water is good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. why I like already drank a half of a bottle. Also, shout out to one of my great friends, Kat, for making me this amazing hat. I love you so much. On days where I usually go to 7-Eleven, I don't get hungry for lunch, so I usually just eat some snacks, and those are a few of my favorite snacks. Okay guys, so this is a rice cooker. It's old, I know, but we're gonna use it to make some rice today. You need to pour your rice in first. I'm only doing 2 cups. This is some basmati rice, and for this one, I always have to soak it into some water, so that's what I'm doing. Pour your water. You need to have more cups of water. Some salt.
2,000 years later.
Now this water is the good kind of water. So because on B days I have B lunch, I do get hungry. So one of my favorite snacks is Doritos, evidently. Hi! Who wants to say hi to the vlog?
Hello, vlog. Hi, vlog. My headphone.
Why is it so shiny?
So, Akaya, how are you feeling about your shiny?
Do I just film you eating?
Just film me eating. This is.
I'm filming you eating. Okay.
I'm sorry.
I would like credit for filming that. So.
But you would like. So today I didn't eat dinner because sometimes when I eat B lunch, I'm set for the entire day. Especially if I eat off campus, then there's no need for me to eat dinner because I'll be full. I don't want to overeat myself. So this last part of the video is kind of weird, but today I'm having some leftovers. And I'm sorry for my dirty counter. I don't know what's going on, but for breakfast and lunch, it was basically the same thing, like waffles and like a chicken sandwich. So you really didn't need to see that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me stuffing my face like a weirdo. And really, I kind of enjoyed making this video because I got to learn more about myself. I learned that I am way too unhealthy, okay? Like, I need to be healthier than this, especially since I am an athlete now. I play sports and stuff, and I do have this one health condition. We're not going to get into that, though. So it's very good that I watch what I eat and I watch my weight, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!